Using an oil filter socket on a 6-inch extension, loosen the oil filter housing lid until you can see the sealing ring, as indicated by the green arrow. This allows oil in the filter housing and filter to drain into the engine oil pan. If you don't do this first, you will leave about a liter of old engine oil behind. Open the oil drain plug access door as indicated by the green arrow. Using a flathead screwdriver, rotate the door lock 180 degrees, then swing the door down. You can also remove the door to make it a little more room for you to work. This photo shows the oil drain plug door located on the all-wheel drive models, green arrow. Place a drain pan centered below the oil drain plug. Using a 17mm socket, remove the oil drain plug. Allow the engine oil to drain until it stops dripping. Keep an eye on the oil as it drains. The stream of oil will move and there is a chance it will miss the drain pan. Install the oil drain plug with a new sealing washer and torque to 25 Newton meters or 18 foot-pounds. Close the oil drain plug access door. Remove the drain pan from below the vehicle. Remove the oil filter cover from the engine and remove the old oil filter from the cover. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the O-rings from the oil filter cover as indicated by the green arrows. Install new O-rings and a new filter. Push the filter on as far as it will go, then torque the oil filter cover to 25 Newton meters or 18 pounds. Fill the engine with engine oil. The engine oil capacity is 6.5 liters or 7 US quarts. Start the engine. Confirm oil warning light goes out. Check that there are no oil leaks and lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Then check your engine oil level using the information center on the dashboard. Checking engine oil level is checked via the information center on your dashboard. Check your owner's manual for detailed instructions on how and when the oil should be checked. Level is displayed. Dynamic oil level, start engine, and allow to idle for 6 minutes. Once the engine has reached operating temperatures, engine oil information is updated in the information center. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article, along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.